banana is not originally like that? Back then, banana looked like this. Yes, and thanks to genetic engineering. Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Bea.
And we are your genetic engineering buddies. Before we start, let's have first an icebreaker. Who wants to join?
Anyone?
Okay, one
More!
one more. Inya. So, Albi.
Angel.
And Renz.
Ako sa
Albi.
sa harap!
Di ba na? Di ba na ba? Okay, Bea, what's our mechanics for this game?
Listen guys. Here I have a mystery box. What I want you to do is you're going to draw pictures of fruits here and you're going to partner them to their GMO partners. Okay?
Yung bitter. Saan mo yung pinit na ako?
You guys can open it now.
You can open it now. Okay,
Next.
then put here.
Sana yung sila. Wala page
Thank you.
Is this right?
Yes, it's all right.
Okay. They come out with this arrangement. Do you guys think this is correct? Yes. Siguro familiar naman kayo kasi nakikita natin to sa TikTok noon. Then, anyway. These organisms are some of the example of some of the product of genetic engineering. These organisms here are called GMOs or genetically modified organisms. They are the product of genetic engineering. We know that every organism is designed to be unique from each other. Each of us has our own desirable characteristics. And these characteristics came from our organism genes or our DNA structure.
What if there was a way to extract these desirable quantities from their genes and give them to another organism and to spread these characteristics?
Let's say if a particular animal is at risk of gut-related diseases, removing the gene that causes this vulnerability will help to solve the problem. And this is possible using what we call genetic engineering.
So, what is genetic engineering?
Genetic engineering is also called genetic modification. This is a process that uses laboratory-based technology to alter the DNA makeup of an organism. This may involve changing, deleting, or adding a segment of DNA.
So let's proceed to terms of genetic engineering.
As we explore this topic, genetic engineering, we first need to know the terms in genetic engineering. First is the selective breeding. This is the choosing of organisms with desirable characteristics and breeding them to produce more desirable ones. This pig here is example of selective breeding. Maniwala ka man o sa hindi, itong mga pig na to is hindi talaga sila naturally look like this. Nagkaroon lang ng abnormality yung isang pig at napansin ito ng mga scientists, kaya napansin ito ng mga scientists, kunyari, nagkaroon lang ng abnormality yung isang baboy at napansin nila na ayan, nagkaroon ng iba't ibang meat ang baboy. Mas madami ang laman ng baboy na ito at dinarami nila iyon. Kaya nagkaroon ng iba't ibang breed ng baboy. The desirable characteristic that the scientists want here is yung laman ng baboy na marami na, kaya gusto nila yung marami. Next is
Next up is we have cloning. Cloning is creating an organism that is an extra genetic copy to another. So, as you can see, I have an example here. This is the Grammy and nucleus. They combine and give it to the surrogate mother, and then yung genes ng dalawa is napunta dito sa lamb. Nagets po ba ng lahat? Ulitin po. So yung, kunwari, let's compare this. Ito, this is the male, ay hindi. The Grammy of this and the nucleus of this, combine, then dinagay sa isang surrogate na animal, then ang manganganak siya, which is yung anak niya is genes ng dalawang ito.
hybridization is a process of crossing plants or animals with different variations of the same trait to create an organism with the most desirable breed. Mule is a popular example of hybridization. They cross the horse and the donkey to create a mule. Unlike selective breeding that I talked about earlier, in hybridization, you are making a new race of organisms like
Twins.
Next is gens splicing. Gen splicing is genetic material is cut and inserted from one organism to another. So I have here an example. This. So as you can see, it's familiar in insertion and in our past topic, which is the RNA and DNA. So they cut this side and transfer it to this. Like parang in-insert po nila. So insertion. Next is
we're done with the terms of genetic engineering. So we're going to proceed to the process of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering may sound complicated. Genetic
identification is to produce GMO, scientists first identify what trait they want to that organism have. So scientists find an organism that has trait with its genes. Example, it is Halysturgis, which produce a natural insecticide. What? Basta yun na po yun. Halysturgis, which is a process of natural insertion that has been in use for so many years in traditional organic or agriculture. Next is
copy. After they identify the trait that they want an organism to have, they are going to copy the gene using the process involving creating a new plant made up of protein or more usually a plasmid or a virus to replicate genetic information. Now that the scientists identify what characteristics they want this organism to have, they are going to copy it. Like what Ryan said earlier, the example is they want the characteristics of BDG. What they are going to do is they are going to put the copied DNA in a virus. Since virus has mechanisms where DNA can be passed.
Next is insertion. So what is insertion? Genetic engineer use vector like adenovirus and bacteria to insert the gene into the DNA of the plant. They are going to out adenovirus and or bacteria and an organism to insert the DNA back to the BT gene by inserting the BT gene on the DNA of a corn plant. Scientists care if the insect transference rate. The next is
After insertion, we have the growth. In the laboratory, scientists grow the new plants to ensure it has adopted the desired trait. In this step, remember that the GMO plant go through in-depth review and safety tests. These are some of the examples of genetically modified organisms. And they go through the process that we talked about earlier.
Bea, does the genetic engineering is have an advantage and disadvantage? So what is the advantage?
Genetic engineering is possible to create varieties of crops regarded as more beneficial for us. Example are the BT talong and BT corn. The crops that has the BT gene in that organism, they produce natural insecticides in them. They make the crops more resistant to different pests and elements. Genetic engineering gives us many advantages from altering desirable traits to other organisms, giving organisms more resistance to disease and elements, increasing nutritional quality and food production, and making one's economical. But it also comes with a risk. And Ryan,
The disadvantage is the lack of research. Siyempre, hindi tama or hindi sapat ang ating pag-research, maybe the one experiment or we're going to GMO, it will not be maganda ang kakalabasan. And the next is allergic reaction. Ang allergic reaction is, ito po yung magkakawan po ng reaction yung one plant if hindi po compatible yung nilagay sa kanya na genes. Yun po.
Okay. As we talk about genetic engineering and how it alters